Most common cause of blindness according to 2015-2016 survey. So guys, if they ask you about blindness, always remember it will be cataract. Okay. Now, what about the other things? This we have read in cases of the community ophthalmology. In the community of Thel, we have read this. Okay. Why I'm telling you this? So that you do not take much time to revise your notes if you want to go back to your notes. So in your notes, in the community ophthalmology portion, you have written all this. Okay. So if you see this, uncorrected refractive error will be the most common cause of the low vision. There is a difference between the low vision and the blindness. Most common cause of low vision is the uncorrected refractive error. Most common cause of blindness is the cataract. Okay. And most common cause of the blindness in children in India, that is vitamin A deficiency. Now always remember, every year we get at least one question on vitamin A deficiency. So try to realize the high topics. You are going to get a question on vitamin A deficiency. You are going to get a question on the visual acuity. You are going to get a question on the acute red eye. So there are certain topics which are all-time favorites, and you have to actually recognize and highlight these topics in your notes, and you have to read them. Okay. Then trachoma is again important. Why trachoma is important? Because it is the most common infection causing blindness in India. So now you have to also remember that previously when I talk about the Vision 2020 program, when I talk about the Vision 2020 program, previously glaucoma was not there, but now even glaucoma has been added to the Vision 2020 program. Like cataract was there, refractive errors was there, we were having vitamin A deficiency, trachoma, and the onchocerciasis, but now even glaucoma has been added here. Okay. So a direct question, but very, very high. There are so many things they can ask for, because they are always asking one community of Thel related question of all the subjects. So that is why also vitamin A deficiency is important, trachoma is important, cataract steps of the surgery are important, something like this. Okay.